Usted quiere activa. Repite.
Bonjour everyone, DCB here again. This video is going to be a quick follow-up to the Culture Hustle mirror video I just did. The question was asked on how to top coat the mirror finish and keep it nice and reflective and protected. Knowing that any oil-based clear coat likes to dull out shiny finishes, it was suggested that I try something that's water-based. I painted the top of a Fisher-Price silo with 2 layers of the Culture Hustle mirror to do some testing on. On one half, I'll try the first recommendation of Alclad Aqua Gloss Clear. This was about $9 a bottle at my hobby store. It's thin enough right out of the bottle to go straight into the airbrush, and it sprays real nicely. Unfortunately, I can see it's already dulling down the surface, instantly giving it that look of silver spray paint. Next, I'm going to try Mission Models Gloss Coat. This is about $7. The stuff is pretty thick and I should probably thin it down, but we'll see what happens as is. Again, immediately the surface dulls down and looks just like silver spray paint. Maybe the silo wasn't shiny enough to start with? I don't know. I didn't really do any surface prep to it, so it wasn't as smooth as my robots are and thus wasn't as reflective to begin with. I don't know. I do have a robot though that's not good enough to sell, so I can use him as a sacrificial test piece. I think I'll try the Alclad on him. Nope, that just doesn't look good either. Maybe I'm doing something wrong here and others have had better luck, I don't know. But I don't see what I could change to get this to work. Someone mentioned that once the Alclad is on and dry that I can maybe then coat it with an oil-based clear coat. Maybe that'll bring back the shine, but I doubt it, but might as well try. And no, that didn't work either. As an added bonus though, it started to wrinkle up the paint layers beneath, so that's fun. So there you go. Coating the mirror with a water-based clear coat did not work at all. Or at least it didn't for me, I don't know. If anyone has any other tips, I'll gladly give them a try. Otherwise, I guess I'll just leave my robots unprotected. The mirror coat does seem to be holding up pretty good though, so I don't know, maybe it's good enough as is. Until then, I'm going to bed. Bonne nuit.
You're weird.